So welcome back everyone. Once again, this is Kevin from CSMI. Today I'm going to share with you a bit of a size comparison between the EX9700, the HIDROMEK, and the Dozer up here. The whole idea is to actually show you how big the EX9700 is in comparison to any of the excavators that you can get in the market, how big and how robust it actually is. So you can actually see I managed to put the HIDROMEK 490 bucket into the EX9700 bucket and actually fits in. That's how big that is. Let me just get the bucket closer. So here you go. That's how big this bucket is. I mean, this is a big bucket. My entire fist will fit in the bucket. And that's the HIDROMEK 490 bucket. Now that is actually a big bucket, but this one is really huge. I'll give you some dimensions on the bucket for those of you who are interested. Now, these are approximate or rough dimensions, right? So outside to outside, it's about 140 mil. From the outside to outside, you're looking at about probably 5.5 inches approximately. I don't know if you can see the tape clearly, but it's about 5.5 inches. What else can I measure? I mean, you can look at the teeth, how wide it is. It's about 150 mil wide on the teeth itself. It's pretty huge. And when you look at the HIDROMEK, it's quite heavy also. At the HIDROMEK bucket, you're looking at 120 mil, which is 4 3/4 inches. So also the HIDROMEK, the wall thickness, as you can see, is probably about 1.5 mil. Well, when you go to the EX9700, let me bring this bucket, you're looking at 2.5 mil thickness, nearly 3 mil, you could say. And that's why this bucket is so huge and it's so heavy. And it's well constructed. It's well constructed. It's robust in the way it's built. You can see it's got, let me see the camera gets into focus. It's got the locking devices. This is just a dummy plate at the moment where you have the four-way valve, the four-way quick connect valve distributing oil to the tool. But they just put a dummy here on this one up here. Standard GET, so you can change all the cutting teeth. You got wear plates at the bottom over there. Really, really well constructed. I'll get the camera a little bit closer so you can see some of the other stuff that I want to share with you. So if you look at the tracks, the EX97 tracks are nearly 55 mil wide, whereas the HIDROMEK is 50. And then when you go to the Dozer, it's about 45, right? The Dozer actually looks quite small in comparison to these machines, but even the boom, you can see how big the boom is of the EX9700 compared to how skinny the boom looks on the HIDROMEK. Let me see if I can get that angle right. There you go. Okay, here you can see how skinny the boom looks for the HIDROMEK compared to the big, robust, beefy boom on the EX9700. Big heavy machine. We'll go more into that particular machine. I just wanted to put the three of them together so that you can actually get a rough idea. By far, this is probably the best machine you can actually buy for your money. I've seen a lot of machines. Of course, the HIDROMEK is pretty advanced because it's got hydrostatic drives on it, hydraulic drives for everything, and that's a big advantage because there's a lot of engineering in that. It's beautifully crafted machine. It's good for precision digging, or if you want to keep it on your table inside your house and play. But if you want to do some serious heavy work, yeah, the 97,000 is the way to go. It's obviously based on a Liebherr 970, but we haven't called that yet because we're speaking to Liebherr to actually get the license on it. The moment we have the license, we will officially call it, but just to respect do the right thing by Liebherr. We aren't calling that machine yet. Hopefully they will see the quality of the machine and probably provide the license for it. So As usual, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can always email us at info@csmi.com.au or drop us a line in the comment section below, and we'll be able to get back to you. Thank you for watching.